All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is FutureMeDead with the third and final video with regards to the trade setup in ERBB. If you haven't seen the two most recent ERBB videos that I made last week, please pause this video and see those first so that you can see my thought process that led us to today's buy initiation. So just to summarize, from the lows that were carved out on May 20, the stock moved up in 5 waves. It is an impulse wave, and this is what we use to determine our bullish stance and to identify where our stop loss is. So from the very high of May 28, we had a 3-wave move down, followed by a 3-wave move up. The trend is going to resume once we start seeing a 5-wave move up. So this is what I'm expecting here, for this to start stair-stepping its way upward. So from May 28, we had a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, followed by a 5-wave move down in C. As I stated in the previous video, C waves are always 5 waves. Now, there is a special impulse wave that allows wave 4 to overlap wave 1, and that is called an ending diagonal. They are also, they are considered 5s. That is to say, they are considered impulse waves. And so with an impulse wave in the position of C, we have what is called a flat. This is a completed flat, where the internal structure is a 3-wave move down, followed by a 3-wave move up, and we have a final 5-wave move down in wave C. In terms of price targets, I had stated in the previous video that I had identified a buy zone between the 50% retracement of the previous move up and the 61.8% retracement. This is usually my buy zone. But because I was expecting a 5-wave move down, structure over price targets, I didn't initiate in this buy zone that I stated in the previous video. I initiated today at current price, 0.0249. So there is no more room to the downside for this to go lower under this count. This count is either complete and we move upward, or something else is developing. I will also state that in waves A and wave C, a very common relationship is equality. So where wave C equals 100% the price distance of wave A. But if we don't get that, the next common relationship is where wave C equals a Fibonacci 1.382 times the length of wave A. I've done the math, and that comes in at 0.024. And you can see here it clipped it and rebounded from it. And I do expect this level, 0.024, to provide support probably through the next few days. And hopefully we can form a base here where we can start moving up higher. So this is it. It's do or die with regards to this analysis. Stop losses are at 0.0191. That's where we have wave count invalidation, because wave 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of wave 1. We'd be breaking a rule, and so that means that this is some other pattern, is some other count. But this is it. This is a very bullish setup. What's our risk? You know, this is the distance of risk we have. You know, like I always say, don't just buy any arbitrary dip. I have, you know, what I do is I wait for a completed wave structure that happens to coincide with a Fibonacci relationship, and then initiate along. So I like the setup here. I'm already fully committed with regards to initiating a position. I will only add to this position if this analysis starts to turn in our favor, where we will be buying secondary dips. So that's it. So the only way you'll see another video update on this is if it goes our way. Otherwise, it will have mean that I got stopped out. So good luck to you all, and I hope you all make money.